June the 8th, 2014. Guys, we're watching LASCO C2, which is Earth facing. We've got a sun diving comet coming in. It appeared yesterday on LASCO C3. First, you couldn't tell if it was going to be a sun diver or maybe just a grazer, but I think it's starting to curve. I'll show it to you on these frames. We'll stop it on LASCO C2 and C3. Now, these are the latest frames that we have, but they're not the latest frames. In other words, it'll take a couple hours to get the newest ones. So as this thing comes in, you can see in the last frame that it has not reached the sun yet. But again, these are delayed images, as you can see it here. Now, we've seen them smaller. We've seen them a lot larger than this. But it looks like it is fully charged, guys. Whatever size it is, you can see it very well. It's lit up. It's not a dead rock. In other words, like an asteroid. Definitely picking up a charge. Here on LASCO C3, it started coming in yesterday. At that point, it was hard to tell, but usually when they get this close, the gravity of the sun takes over. You'll see it coming in right there, and I'll pull it up a little closer. Again, the last few frames does not have it there yet, but I have the latest frames of SDO, and we're getting some reaction from the left side of the sun, and I'll show you the newest on that filament that left today that was directly Earth facing. Again, we started seeing this yesterday coming in there. Here's a close-up right there. I just don't think it's going to be able to overcome the gravity of the sun. I think in the last frame it started to curve just a little. Now, this is that massive CME that left the sun today, guys. We're looking at it head on. We're not seeing it. If it was coming off one side of the sun, you would see it quite well. Now, what's happened, you see that, then we've had an explosion here. You're going to see some radio transmission problems here, probably type 2, but check this out, a close-up. A lot of energy burst out there, guys. That's a large explosion, just if you can comprehend the size of what we're looking at. We'll see some radio interference from this. Now, again, this is new images, the newest ones in. They're a little newer than the SDO images, so I'm not sure if that's a reaction from that sun diving comet or not. We'll have to watch that through the night. But just as I'm finishing, the SDO loads up a new image here. Check this out, guys. Again, I don't think the comet's quite had time to strike yet, but we have seen the sun react many times. We'll be watching it, guys. Heads up.